Hi first grade, Miss Wingard here. For this activity, you are going to use that one time that you were helpful that you chose yesterday during the brainstorming activity. So I chose the very first day that we got and found our cat Zoe. So I was about your age, maybe a little bit older, and I'm going to show you how I did this activity, and then you can go to the next page in Seesaw to work on yours. So this is called an organizer, and what this does is now we have our idea that we want to write about, and now we want to organize it and put the events and the ideas in order. So you may use the drawing tools down at the bottom of the screen. If you have photographs or clip art, any of those things you are welcome to use. I have 3 boxes. The first box says first, then, and last. So I am making this very specific, and I am thinking about the first day that I found Zoe and how I was helpful. So I drew a picture of a tree. I found Zoe under all of this brush underneath the tree. This is me, and I hear meow. So that's what I drew for the first event. I then put a caption and wrote at the bottom, I heard a meow under the tree. There was a tiny kitten. So the caption describes what is happening in the first picture. Then I took Zoe in the house and got her food and water. She was hungry. At the time, I didn't even have cat food. My family didn't have cat food. And so she ate dog food. She ate some little animal crackers, anything that we could find right from the start as soon as we found her in the woods. Okay, so then I have my house. Here is Zoe, and I put the water there. Last, I made a bed with blankets and stayed up with Zoe the first night. And here is a picture sleeping. So this is my organizer. This helps me. It takes my one idea about a time I was helpful and it puts it in order with drawings and pictures, photographs, and captions. So what I would like you to do is you're going to think about your one idea that you chose yesterday, and you're going to do the same thing. First, then, and last. Have fun with this activity. This helps us get ready to write very soon. Thanks, first grade.